Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Stamp Life, where we catch flights and not feelings, honey. We try to live our best life one stamp at a time. So, today's adventure is hiking a volcano. Aren't you excited to come along for this trip? I know I am.
Purchase your track today.
Buenos dias! So, we're about to, I don't know if you can see. We're headed to the volcano. We are going to hike. This is our little Airbnb in the background. I don't know if I posted that yet, but drinking my cafe con leche. Con leche. Hold on, I got to go. My driver just messaged me. So, TTY. So we are headed to our bus. You ready to hike, Della?
I guess.
Black girls gone hiking. My shirt says I am going into the mountain to lose my mind and find my soul. This is our driver. Hola, buenos dias. We are on the bus. We are flying around this mountain. I'm convinced this is Central America, a South American thing where listen, hold on. Well, on second thought, we do have a guardrail, so that's a plus. That's a plus. No, seriously, like they are going super fast around these curbs. We even saw a truck that had flipped over. Okay, let me guess, you're going too fast. But the ride is about an hour and a half outside of Antigua. So since you get up so early to go on this hike, you might as well just go ahead and go to sleep, honey, because you ain't missing nothing but curves and excitement. Okay, so we have arrived here at the central location to start the volcano hike to the top. We have these chicos right here. Say hola, hola. We have our horses. We get you a horse if you don't want to climb. Hola. This is where the setup begins, okay? Because they are sizing us up and picking out our horses in advance. I know that's what they're doing. Good. So, everybody's getting their ticket and using the baño. We decided.
Is that the end?
Forgive my Spanglish. I know it's cabello. But that horse was like, child, hush. No, I don't know Mr. Ed, but I do know you and your friends are going to need me and my friends in just a minute. So we have began walking up the hill, but look at this. Please keep in mind, it's best to look down when you're walking. It's a little village. Look at this. Because ooh. Where you came from, Cabello? No, my name is Champion, and you're gonna need me in a minute, lady. So when I move, you move just like that. Absolutely, because he is a part of the hustle. Look at the handler and look at the horse. Look familiar? And it's going down right here at the infamous cobblestone pathway. Look who right here. Mr. Ed and his homeboys waiting. Just waiting to seal the deal on the hustle. Out of all the vlogs I watched, nobody mentioned that the cobblestone pathway was a straight upward incline. So yes, that's me breathing like I'm going into cardiac arrest. My plus size sisters, this ain't it, honey. She down there like, como se dice, we need a horse. I'm like, ¿cuánto cuesta el cabello? But I didn't want to get on the horse. Janine made us get on the horse because I'm totally afraid of getting on horses. And it was a straight incline, trying to climb up on the horse. No, ma'am. Muy malo.
So listen, let me tell y'all the hustle. Get you at the cobblestone, right? See, now the cobblestone gone, we on dirt. I would have been just fine on this dirt. They got me on the back of a horse. Champion was following me from the bottom. Two horses well. And where we stop? Della horse over here holding up traffic. Janine just, she made us.
Y'all, I am so scary. I swear. I do not want to get on this horse. I'm a fraidy cat. And I just don't believe in animal cruelty. And me on the back of a horse, that is absolutely cruel. Roundabout at this point where I finally given up my fears of riding a horse, and I was officially a rhinestone cowgirl. I mean, hey.
Town road, I'm gonna ride until
We just arrived at Lookout Point, which is where they tell you a little historical facts about Volcano de Pacaya, and the rest of the group catches up. And then you enjoy this amazing view. So, Mr. Smelly Horse pulls up next to me and sneezes or licks my leg. Oh my God, I'm utterly disgusted. And they thought it was so funny. It wasn't. That's why I don't fool with horses. Here, you can stop and get you some fresh fruit and chill out, take a break. It's still not the halfway point. I'm going to speed it up so I can get us to the halfway point.
Listen.
And this is around about the halfway point. And at this point, if you're on foot, I feel sorry for you. I really do. Forgive me, but I had to speed things up a little bit because this hike was actually really long. It is 2.8 kilometers. Basically, round trip, it is 5 miles. And I don't know what I was drinking, smoking, or thinking that we were going to be able to hike by foot without the use of an animal. Yes, Champion came through for me. So right now we parked the horses and we actually have to walk the rest of the way. So it's about to get real tricky getting off this horse, y'all. Don't laugh at me.
You got something for me to step on?
What?
He don't hear me.
Yeah. And this and walking the.
No, I get that, but I'm scared to get off the horse.
No, and break on the.
You.
Little bit tired on the horse.
Look how little he is. He gonna help me get off the horse? Him not to move.
He not.
I'm serious, y'all. I'm scared. That's why I don't get up on stuff you can't get off of.
I was not trying to hear them, okay? I was like, no, I need a hombre fuerte. And this brother came through with that strong back and got me down up off that horse. I was like, honey, it was about to be a muy malo dismount, okay?
We made it to the top of, well, I won't say the top. We just up here as far as you can go on Pacaya. If you look back there, some volcano lava coming down. The clouds are clearing out, so you can kind of see Guatemala City a little bit. Absolutely could have walked all the way up, because I am a champion.
Listen, I could have made it. That is my story. I'm sticking to it. Proof I had no intention of riding a horse. I had on shorts. Who rides a horse in shorts? Like, I seriously would have made it. Maybe an hour or two later after the group, but I would have made it.
So, we are taking the last few steps of the hike up here to the top. I'm pretty sure I'm breathing like this because of the altitude. Yeah, it's not that it's bad, but it does capture it does catch your breath. And then it don't help that you gotta go up there. I just came from up there. So, yeah. See, senora. No, we just going to.
Well, you know, the group lost all faith and trust in me back at the cobblestone path, so I'm just going to keep on with it and say, oh, it's not that much further, I don't think.
She's straight running. Listen. 2 months in the gym is not going to prepare you for this hike. It's not. It's not. 3 months in the gym? Nope. Now, if you just doing a Stairmaster every day, you'll be there.
So if any of you were following my Instagram Insta story, I actually was doing all those hills and stuff to prepare myself for this hike, and it was not enough.
That's why I keep asking her, where is the elevator? No wonder they sell them little sticks at the bottom, because you're walking on volcano ash.
Everyone's selling something down there. It's there for a reason. Do not ignore them. Seriously. Do not ignore them. You will regret it.
It's definitely not the hiking shoe. All I can say is glory be to God. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? He sent the spirit of a horse. That horse carried us through. He said, devil, you ain't got nothing here. I brought up a horse, and she gonna get there. Because that's exactly what happened. So, we're at the top. Well, as far as you can safely go, is what they say. We made it. Mama made it.
Yes, Mama, I made it. Now that we are on Pacaya, you're probably thinking, what does one do when they get to the top of a volcano? Well, stay tuned. You'll find out.